In this video, I'll show you how you can buy Bitcoin from eToro. Now the first step is you want to make sure that your account is fully set up. So you need to provide proof of address as well as your ID. It can be a driver's license or your national ID or stuff like this. And once your account has been completed, you can now go to the crypto. Now there will be a little questionnaire when you sign up that you need to make sure that you select the right answers. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to trade. Once you've done that, you simply want to deposit some money and then head over to, you can go either watch list or discover, but usually on your watch list, there will already be Bitcoin in here. Otherwise, you can simply search for it, Bitcoin, click on it, and then you want to press on trade. Once you've done this, you will be able to buy, and that is how it's done. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.